Hey everybody, XJO81X here, and October, here it goes again. Big brush! Oh, it's not planned. I really, it's not planned, I swear. Oh, fuck. Oh, you know it's bad when you have to leave your own gas. That stunk like holy Mexican. That's like Taco Bell meets Chipotle and like bad salsa con queso. Oh, it's cold down here. Whew. It's 25 hours later. Side's cold. The side was warm. Jay thinks that there might be like a coil in here or something. Maybe not. Or it was warm. It's blowing. It's cold. Everything's still frozen. Even the wet drops froze. Frozen. My beer mugs are nice and frosty. Moment of truth. Yeah. I think that's about right. We brought this thermometer upstairs last night, and I wanted to get like a baseline. The internet says anywhere between 38 to 42 or 38 to 40. That depends on the cubic inch. That depends on what's in there. Right now there's absolutely nothing in there. There's some booze which I have to get rid of. 6 bottles of water. There's nothing in the freezer. You know, Jay told me today, you know, if it does work, you should put stuff in the freezer and then get a real sense of it working. Right now it's just running by itself, you know. Even if you put ice in there, or even if you grab stuff from upstairs and bring it down just so it's working. So that's 25 hours. We took the thermostat out, thermometer out, sorry. And I brought it upstairs at like last night. That read around 42. But again, different make, different model, different cubic inches. There's food in there, and it's digital. It's not mechanical. So we tested it out. The fridge doesn't, you know, our food doesn't go bad. Our freezer is frozen. Blah 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 blah. I'm sure I'd have to adjust this if we started putting food in here. What we do with this is our backup freezer and refrigerator. She'll get more water. We'll put this water in there. During the holidays, we'll bring the fruit down and this and that. The freezer, we actually use a lot more than the refrigerator. We'll put the pizzas down there. You know, anything frozen, maybe I'll buy 2 or 3 bags of ice as a backup. So, you let me know what you think. Refrigerator is set to 5. I left the freezer at 5. I could, you know, the water's cold. It's definitely cold. It's definitely cold. Like, again, there's nothing in here. It's 2, 4, 6. Well, it was at 42. It's rising because I leave the doors open. So that's it. I think this is case closed. You know, Octember's done. Yeah, this little thing went bad. However it goes bad, whether it broke, whether something stuck, Whether it's this piece, whether it's that piece, whether it just needs to be dropped, because it still worked, but it didn't work efficiently. Maybe, like you said, maybe this piece is bent too much. Maybe there's a crack in it. I couldn't tell you. This thing could crap out in 3 days. I don't know. So we're going to wrap this one up. Octember is over. We're like November 11th. Thanks JK18 for what would be the correct word? Diagnosing this? Diabolically don't know the correct fucking word. Hon. Without further ado, the Kenmore Elite allegedly, knock on wood, gets to live until next October. Anything that ever happens to it, nice big dent, I guess, now that I'm moving around. Anything happens to it throughout the year, if it breaks, whatever, I will be more than happy to put this up. But this will be closing this Octember series, and that's it. That's it. I'm going to put the water in. I'm going to have my wife, bring some stuff down. Maybe she'll go shopping. We'll refill the freezer. Today's Saturday, so maybe by Monday we'll determine if it's actually fully working 100% after a couple days. We'll take it from there. We'll assess, and if I get around to it, I'll make another video. If I'm down here making a video about something else. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. Thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.